Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to hack into someone else's Wi-Fi network, and this, just to let you know, this only works with the WEP. So, you have to have Linux or Backtrack 4 installed on your computer, and what you want to do is open a terminal menu. Now, you have to have aircrack hyphen ng. I'm going to put that in for you guys here. Aircrack ng installed. And install that, you type in sudo apt get install um, aircrack ng. Now, I already have it installed, so I'm not gonna do it. But lastly, for your password, and you can install it. But so here's what you do: you type in sudo to get your interface. Everyone's interface is different, so I'm gonna press this. It says for my password. All right, now WLAN O right there. That's the one you're gonna want to use for basically every command in this tutorial. So now once this pops up, you want to type this command right here, and what this will do is this will down your network right here, sudo airmon ng stop, and then do the interface right there. Yours may be different, but whatever goes under the interface right here, you want to type in. So now enter, and then it'll stop, and then what you want to do is sudo mac changer minus mac. Here you want to type in like 001122334455, and then the interface again. Right there it says current Mac and then fake Mac. So then see, it says disconnected right there. It's my network's disconnected. So then it connected to my local network. So I'm gonna just stay offline for now. So now, once that's changed, people will not find out your MAC address once you connect to their network. So now you gotta down the network again because it came back on. So I'm gonna do a sudo airmon ng stop WLAN O, and then what you do is a sudo arrow dump ng WLAN O, and this will show you your local networks that you can do. And once most of them pop up, you can choose whatever you want. Try not to type any, like, see where it says WPA2. Try not to use those because those are really hard to crack. So stop the listing. Just press Control C. And so say I want to hack RY9R7. So just copy this BSS ID right here. I'm gonna copy that. And so now I'm gonna type in. We want to get that to a file. So we're gonna type in sudo arrow dump ng minus c. That's for channel. And look at the channel. The channel is 6. He says ch for channel and then 6. So 6 minus w. It's the file name. So just type in, ry9r7, and then do minus bssid. And this is where you want to paste the bssid you copied earlier. And then here you want to type in after that WLAN because that's your interface actually. And right here what it's doing is it's getting your information to a file, and once this numbered data gets to around like 10,000, it's a lot for people. It depends on different amounts, but usually it's over 10,000 when people want to do it. Now there is a way to make this go faster by entering a couple commands. You guys can look up on that, but I currently do not have the patch for that. There is a patch that you can speed up your router traffic. But so yeah, once that gets to over 10,000, I already have a preset file. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open a new terminal window. I'm just gonna use a different network for you guys. Sudo aircrack ng. Make sure you have this installed from earlier. Remember I said, and then you're gonna want to do the file. Like, see if you look in your home directory here, it should show you the file that it's saved it as. So right here, I'm just gonna crack one that I've already done. So So, and it's going to be the one with .cap. You can't open this with any other file, with anything else besides just aircrack on terminal. So what I'm going to do is see that file nhcp2.01.cap. So I'm going to do that aircrack ng, and then I'm going to type in nhcp2 slash hyphen 01 dot cap, and then when I press enter, it's going to want your password. And then it'll open up this aircrack ng menu. As you can see, this is still going. It might be an easier way to do this might be overnight, because you know, don't worry about anything else here, like beacons or anything. But remember, if this is WPA2 or WPA or anything besides WEP, you do not want to crack that unless you're like extremely experienced with this stuff. And yeah, so sorry to keep you waiting. It's just cracking the password here. And remember, this is a different one than this one. I'm not cracking this one right here. I'm cracking another one that I've already got over 10,000 data packets. So it should be done in about 10 seconds. It's usually done around a minute. So it might say failed. I've already gotten the password for it. So let's just see what happens here. See, it says tested so many keys right there. That's the power of this terminal right here. That's why I suggest Linux instead of Windows. Oh, see, and failed. Next try with 25,000 IPs. Well, if it succeeds, right there, that means need more data. But if it succeeds, that means it'll say key found, and then it'll show you the numbers. And what you can do is you just take those numbers and remove. It'll give you a number of the colons in it. Just don't put the colons in, and enter that as the Wi-Fi password, and you should be in. So thanks for watching, and I'll try to post more videos later.